is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick and easy perm rod set. My hair is actually in an old perm rod set right now, but I did not feel like washing my hair. Trust me, I'm pretty sure all of us have been there. Okay, so I don't want to blow my hair out just on dry hair. So I am going to spray a little water on it just to dampen my hair some so I don't get any heat damage or anything from the blow dryer, and you just don't want to blow out dry hair. So I'm going to finger detangle the ends just a little bit to make it a little bit easier for the blow dryer brush to comb through my hair and just to save a little time. I'm going to be blowing my hair out using this little one of those hairbrush blow dryers. It's not the Revlon brand. It's a knockoff. Not really sure where it came from. I found it at my mom's house, so I'm going to be trying that out today. I wanted to give it a try just before I purchased a Revlon one because I have been hearing a lot of good things about it. So this is what the brush looks like. I was actually very shocked at one, how fast it blew my hair out, and two, how straight my hair got. Also, after I blew it out, I was checking my ends just to make sure my ends looked fairly healthy and they weren't raggedy, and just making sure that it wasn't time for me to go get a trim. It's not time for a trim, but I always like to kind of check and make sure that my ends are still healthy. Alright, now that I'm done with this section, I'm going to move to the next one, and here are the final results. I was pretty shocked at how straight the brush got my hair and how long my hair has gotten since my last cut. So now we're just going to section our hair off once again into 4 sections to prep for our rod set. I always like to work in sections just because it makes it a lot easier to keep the hairstyle neat. The products that I'm going to be using are this Lotta Body Milk and Honey Define Me Foam Styler. I'm just going to place a small, I think I put about 1 pump on each section, and starting in the back, I'm going to take this section and split it in half. And I'm going to comb through it and put a little bit more of that mousse on the ends just so it sticks to the roller. And I'm going to show you up close how I roll it on the rod. You want to start at the end, roll the ends up to tuck it under the hair, and then roll it all the way to the root. Then you want to take the elastic part and secure the roller to the root. Alright, so I'm going to show you that one more time. Get a little bit more of the foam styler and apply it to the ends. Comb it through to make sure it's evenly distributed. You want to take the ends, start on the end of the roller closest to the elastic. Roll the ends upward and then roll the hair on top all the way to the roots. And when you roll the hair on top of the ends, it just helps to keep the ends smooth and secure on the roller. All right, one more time up close. Smooth the ends upward and then roll the hair on top of the ends all the way down to the root. And then secure the perm rod with the elastic, and that's it. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed through me rolling the rest of this side of my hair. And I'm going to show you up close one more time. And that's pretty much it, y'all. You just want to remember to smooth the ends onto the perm rod. And you want to do it on the end closest to the elastic. Smooth the ends upward and then roll the hair on top. And secure it with the elastic at the root. I like doing my perm rod sets on stretched out hair because I get a lot more volume when I blow my hair out versus doing it on wet hair. If I do my rod sets on wet hair, then I get a lot more definition. Alright, that's it. I'm going to do the other side off camera, and I will see you guys in the morning. So after I finished rolling my hair, I did sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes, and then I put my bonnet on, and I went to bed. So now it's the moment of truth. We're going to take one of these rollers down and see if she's dry. I promise y'all, this gives you the most anxiety because there is nothing worse than doing a rod set and it takes forever and then it's not dry. And I always like to take down 2 just to make sure I didn't celebrate too early. So it looks like they will be dry. I'm going to be taking my Kiss Argan and Macadamia hair oil. And I do like this hair oil because it's light, but it is kind of thick. So a little bit goes a very long way. And after the takedown, my entire head was dry, so I was super excited about that. But we are not finished yet. Go ahead and grab your pick, and we're going to pick our hair out some. When you're picking your hair, you want to be sure you hold your ends and then take your pick Insert it at the root and pull towards your ends. You don't want to comb all the way through your hair. You just basically want to lift your roots so that you can create a little bit more volume in your hair. And if you want it to be a little bit more fluffy, feel free to take your blow dryer and hit your roots as well to stretch them out a little bit more. But the pick should do just fine, especially for the first day. After that, go ahead, shake your hair out, loosen those curls, and go on about your day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!